Hello, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, this is Nyoero, and if you've been here, thank you so much for always supporting me, like always. So I'm going to be doing a matte brown makeup look. So I'm mostly going to concentrate with my eyes because you know guys, I love my eyes. So yeah, I'm using the Zaron cosmetics palette for my eyeshadow, and yeah, I'm going to be showing you guys the color I'm using on this palette in case you'd want to get this palette. So I'm going in with a bit of a light color on the crease area. It is light and matte, not too bright and not too dull or so, because we are going for the matte color. We are going to be putting the brown shades around this area of the eye. So make sure the parts are blended with the crease area so that you cannot look like you have lines around your eyes. You want your eyeshadow to be very blended. So make sure you blend it properly. Guys, you can see I'm like concentrating on the blending because you do not want to have harsh lines while doing eyeshadow. So be careful with blending. I have taken a lot of time with the blending, but blending the eyeshadow is really important because it's going to make your eyeshadow really seamless. So I'm going to put a little bit of gold around my tear duct because I want my eyes to pop. We are doing the matte brown smoky eye. I do not want to look like I'm washed out and so on. So I'm going to put a little bit of gold around the tear duct. Then after that, I'm going to be doing my eyeliner, which is something visual. I think on every makeup tutorial I've done, I've been explaining how to do the eyeliner. So if you've not watched my previous makeup videos, make sure you do so that you can learn how to do your eyeliner. So for my setting powder on my highlight, because I'm not going to be highlighting my face, I'm using a powder that is 2 shades lighter than my actual powder shade, and this is this Zaron Cosmetics powder, and I think this is in the shade Almond if I'm not wrong. So I'm going to be putting it around my eyes, basically where you just highlight your makeup. So around my under eyes, around my forehead, a little bit on my nose. So the same eyeshadows using on my eyes, the same eyeshadow I'm going to be using to contour my face, my cheekbones and my nose. So yeah, you really don't need too much to do your makeup. So you can always use your eyeshadow to do your contouring and also to highlight if you have the light eyeshadow, or other you can also use it to put it on as a blush on your cheeks. And so yeah, it's as easy as that, guys. Okay, so for the blush, I'm going to be using the same palette I was using on my eyes for my blush and also for the highlight. So I'm also going to use the same palette to highlight my face. So I'm going to be using the gold shade I used on my tear duct. It's the same shade I'm going to be using on my cheeks, then the eyeliner. So on to the lip tutorial. So after lining my lips with the black eyeliner, I'm going to go in with the Huddah Cosmetics matte lipstick, which is in brown. I've forgotten the name of this lipstick, but I think if you want the same lipstick, you can just check Huddah Cosmetics on IG. So after putting on this lipstick, I'm going to go in with the Zaron Cosmetics nude lip gloss. So this is a Zaron Cosmetics nude lip gloss that I'm putting on after using this brown matte lipstick from Huddah Cosmetics. Then after that, I'm going to use the lip gloss on top to make it more shiny and brown, because this lip gloss is in has a brownish color. So I'm going to put on the lip gloss on top, then I repeat with the same gloss from Zaron Cosmetics, the one that was looking pinkish. I'm going to be putting it on my lower lip so that I can have the pink effect on the lower lip, but my upper lip is going to be darker than my lower lip. That is how I like to do my gloss. So make sure you set your face with a setting spray after doing your makeup, and I'm using the Zaron Cosmetics matte setting spray on my face. And then we are done with this tutorial. It's as easy as that. So give me your thoughts on this makeup look at the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe if you're new here. Make sure you like, because this is going to help my channel. So until our next video, guys, bye.